èèmọ̀ màrè Ìyáọlá mà níyọnu wọ́n mà ní sẹ́nẹ́tọ̀ ilé wa mà ná ìyàwó rẹ̀ ta ni sẹ́nẹ́tọ̀ náà Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sọ ohun tí Tóyìn Abraham àti Ẹniolúwa ṣe fún ẹ jókòó ẹ gbọ́ òyìn náà lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ nínú fọ́nrán kan tó ń jà ròyìnròyìn lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára ni òṣèré tíátà olóyìnbó tó fẹ́ sẹ́nẹ́tọ̀ Ned Nwoko ìyẹn Regina Daniel ti sọ pé nínà tóun rí nílé ọkọ òun ti pọ̀ jù èyí tó jẹ́ ìyàlẹ́nu fún àwọn tó rò pé arábìnrin náà ń gbádùn nínú ìgbéyàwó rẹ̀ nínú fọ́nrán náà ni Regina Daniel wà nílé ọkọ rẹ̀ tí àwọn ẹ̀ṣọ́ aláàbò rọ̀gbà yíká tó sì sọ pé nínà yìí ti pọ̀ jù òun kò lè mú mọ́ra mọ́ ọkùnrin kan tó ń jẹ́ Stanley ló fi fọ́nrán náà léde tó sọ pé ọkọ Regina Daniel yẹn Ned Nwoko ló rán àwọn ẹrú ikú àwọn jàǹdùkú láti na Regina lálẹ́ àná ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n rẹ̀ wà níbẹ̀ láti gbèjà rẹ̀ tí ẹ ò bá gbàgbé nínú oṣù kejì ọdún yìí ni ìròyìn já ròyìnròyìn lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára wípé ọkọ Regina fún òṣèrébìnrin tíátà mìíràn lóyún ìyẹn Chika Ike awuyewuye náà sì ranlẹ̀ tó sì rinlẹ̀ nípa bí Regina ṣe pa ẹ̀rọ ayélujára rẹ̀ rẹ́ láti lè jẹ́ kí ogun omi ní Ned Nwoko ọkọ Regina jáde sọ wípé kò sí òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ náà tó sọ pé òun kọ́ ni bàbá ọmọ Chika Ike ní oṣù tó tẹ̀lé ni ọkọ Regina kọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ dídùn nípa rẹ̀ tó sì sọ pé ìfẹ́ àwọn ń hàn bí iná tó sì ní Regina jẹ́ ohun tó dùn àti ìdùnnú sí òun tó sì di òun mú nínú ìjì tó sọ pé kò sí òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ pé àwọn méjèèjì ti pínyà ó fi kún ọ̀rọ̀ wípé Regina gan kò ní pẹ́ bímọ kẹta ṣùgbọ́n ní báyìí ọ̀rọ̀ tí Regina sọ nípa nínà tó ń rí nílé ọkọ rẹ̀ lóhun káyọ̀ sọ pé ṣé ìpínyà ò ní dé bá wọn báyìí àti pé kí Regina tètè kó ń bẹ́ẹ̀ o tí kò wá lè faradà mọ́. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sọ ohun tí Ẹniolúwa àti Tóyìn Abraham ṣe fún ẹgbọ́n ohun tó sọ.
A dime from me, guys. She did not collect a dime from me. And I appreciate her so much. I love her. We support each other every time, you know. Some people, you will support them, they will not return the support back. But, you know, she didn't have to. She could have said, I'm busy. I don't have... In fact, this episode 2 and 3 that we did, she's the one that gingered me. Oh. I didn't want to stress her. She said, Auntie Ejekashi, let's do it now. It's a nice concept. I said, I don't want to stress you, my love. Only no, you're not stressing me. Let's do it. So, Tony, I am really drawn to tears this morning. I just want to say I love you. I love you forever. Forever is the deal. Trust me, girl. I love you. I appreciate you so much. So much, Tony Abraham. I love you. Because, you know, in our industry, a lot of us, we just they do hi. We're not really that close like everybody assumes. But I mean, Tony is one girl that we've been together for a very long time. And we're still together, standing strong. And she didn't just come to say, oh, Auntie Abo is not paying me. Let me just do. She put her body and she was even sick when we were recording. Remember now? She was very sick. She was very strong. But she still came through for me. Tony, I love you. Thank you so much for all that you do for me. I know this might come as a shock to you, yeah? But I love you. I need to appreciate you. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you. I love you. Enioluwa, my love. Hey! Princess Bestie, Tony Abraham's son. Enioluwa, that be my own son. But is that Priscilla Omoaleni? What's that? What's her name? Shewa Omoaleni Shewa. Priscilla, yeah, Enioluwa should be my own son. Always supporting me. But that Priscilla is always supporting her mother-in-law. I don't know why, but anyway, it is well. Enioluwa, I love you. I love you so much, Enioluwa. Thank you so much for standing by me. Enioluwa did not collect a dime, oh. He did not collect a shishi. And he's been so supportive. Thank you so much. God bless you. And every other person that has come to support my comedy show, the in-laws. Thank you so much.
Ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ lẹ́nu Ìyábọ̀ Òjó owó èèyàn tí Tóyìn Abraham mọ́mí ire jẹ́ àti Ẹniolúwa Adéọlá. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó mo orí ó dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn fún àtìlẹ́yìn wọn.